Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah. So let's see next example. Here is an object is moving with velocity u with a constant acceleration. With constant acceleration. So in the first 2 seconds, okay, in first 2 seconds it covered 24 meters, and next 2 seconds it covered 32 meters. Now they are asking us to find out what is initial velocity and what is the acceleration. This is what you need to find it out. Okay. Now we know clearly first part, that is first 2 seconds. Initial velocity is given, displacement is given, acceleration, let us see, constant, we don't know, it is for the time being. Yeah, what is the time? First 2 seconds t. Now when you take this use, what is that we are going to use? Use s is equivalent to ut plus half at square. So what is that? Is 24 is equivalent to u, we don't know, t is nothing but 2 seconds plus half a 2 square, right? Now 24 is equivalent to 2u plus 4 by 2, 2, it's a 2a. Now when you take common 2 and strike it off, since 12 is equivalent to u plus a. Let us take this equation number 1. Yeah. So the second part, our second part is nothing but next to 2 seconds, isn't it? Now what I am taking, first plus second part together. Why should I take first and second part together? If you take only second part, now in the second part, what is initial velocity? Definitely initial velocity is from here, not from here, isn't it? Now in the second part, we don't know the initial velocity because it is accelerating. So these velocities keep on changing. So if you consider only second part, we don't know the initial velocity. So one more unknown quantity is going to come. So to remove that, we are taking two parts together. When you take two parts together, what is initial velocity? U only. What is acceleration? A only. And what about the displacement? Displacement is going to give you this S1 plus S2. And what is the time? Time is nothing but 4 seconds because first 2 seconds and next 2 seconds. Isn't it? I hope you're following. Yeah. Now use S is equivalent to ut plus half at square. The same thing we are going to use. Now what is S? S is nothing but together we are writing. So 24 plus 32 is equivalent to initial velocity same. And what is the time? Time is nothing but 4 seconds. Isn't it? Plus half, acceleration is same, na? And what about this? 4 square. Now how much is that? 56 is equivalent to 4u plus 16 by 2, 8a. Okay, hope it's clear, right? Now, if you take common fourth table, it's a 14. Fourth table 14 is equivalent to u plus 2a. And this is equation number 2. Hope you are following. Now, let us take 1 and 2. So, 12 is equivalent to u plus a and 14 is equivalent to u plus 2a. u plus 2a. Now, what happened? What we do? So, this is 2 I said, this is 1. So, what we are doing, it's a 2 minus 1. Subtract. So 2 minus 1. So 14 minus 12, it's a 2 is equivalent to 0 plus this minus a. So a is equivalent to 2 meters per second square. A is equivalent to 2 meters per second square. Then substitute back this in the equation number 1. What you get? 12 is equivalent to u plus a is 2. Now what happened? U is equivalent to 12 minus 2. So u is equivalent to 10 meters per second. So these are the answers for the given problem. Okay, yeah, thank you.